I'm a bit saddened that, her life wasn't celebrated by the people who knew her.
COVID-19 has had a big impact in our business in the terms as we've never been this busy before. In our culture, in the African culture, normally we bury on weekends, on Saturdays and Sundays. It's completely changed now because now we're actually burying every single day. On a Thursday, the family would come, wash the body, and then after it, we'd coffin the body, and then on a Friday, we'd go and deliver the body, and the body would stay at home till Saturday when the funeral happens, and obviously the body would be removed and taken to the cemetery. That has completely changed. When someone passes away from COVID now, it's not advised, it's not supposed to happen. The family cannot, fortunately, they cannot wash the deceased. Because obviously when someone with COVID is passed away, the body's, like let's say for example in a hospital, the body's picked up from hospital. At hospital, the body has already been put in 3 or 4 body bags, which are not supposed to be open at all.
For us as a funeral provider, our business, it's a word of mouth business. So when I do a burial at the Hlongwane family, I'm really hoping that the people attending see the way that we render the service. Now with the 50% attendance that has been cut down, now you find yourself that you're not having that exposure.